It is tutorial time! What is Cinemagraph? Well, it's been around for a while. It's been a lot on social media, especially on Instagram. If you've seen these photos where there is a minor but repeated movement, those photos which come to life, those photos which kind of look like photos but they kind of look like videos as well, that's what it is, my friends. And today we're gonna be learning how to create that with your mobile phone. In fact, I have an Android phone ready to go. If you are new to this channel, my name is Zdenka. I work as a photographer. I am a former model and a few other things. I make tutorials and fun vlogs, so you might want to consider subscribing to this channel. The first time I saw Cinemagraph, I thought I forgot my glasses or just my eyes are going crazy. Some of the photos are really well done. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to figure out that something is not right. Let's look at what I'm talking about. Let's just grab my phone, type in an Instagram hashtag Cinemagraph. And as you can see, there are tons of these. What marketing companies say is that it's proven that images have viral appeal. They engage audience emotions and they spark intrigue. Obviously, I jumped right on it and I wanted to create a few myself, so here are a few I did from my old existing photos I took in past. How is it done? To create cinemagraphs on the go on your mobile phone, in my case it's Android phone Samsung Galaxy S6, there are plenty of applications you can try out. You should try a few to see what actually works for you, what you prefer. Here are 3 apps which I think you should try. One is Story Z or Z, the other one is Zootropic, and the third one is the Motion Picture Live Photo in Motion app with music. I chose Story Z or Z. I already have it installed on my phone. So let's create one right now and let me show you how that works. First, I'm going to load the photo into the app. I want her hair to move in the photo, so I just add motion arrows in that direction. I don't want some areas to move, so I'll add stabilization points there, which are those red dots. For skin, I'll use mask brush to make sure the skin is not moving at all. You can actually zoom in and out to select it very precisely. Then I'll just play it to see if I need to change anything else. And since I like very slow movement, I'm just going to slow down a bit, so I'll push it all the way to the left. Done. Now it's time to save it. I'll just use the free option, what it allows me here. So repetition will be 2 times and max resolution. And I'll wait for the app to generate the final video. Done. Effect is finished. You know what? Let me post it on Instagram and see what people think. Now, my friends, it's your turn to test it out and have fun with it. Well, if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or simply want to say hello, please do so in a video description below, and you know I always read them and I respond. And you know what? Let me know which app you are using for Cinemagraphs, or which app you are planning on using for Cinemagraphs. I'm just curious, I would love to know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ahoy.